How to decide upon an SEO budget. Lots of business owners struggle with the most common question: what should be the budget for search engine optimization to improve website rank? But before we move on to answer this crucial question, let us first discuss why search engine optimization is essential for digital marketing and how exactly SEO works. SEO is an acronym for Search Engine Optimization, where SEO experts create a robust SEO strategy to improve a particular website's rankings. Depending on the business niche and the keywords research, a good marketing campaign is framed for search engines to show your products or services to the most relevant audience. Based on the time taken to display the desired results, SEO can be classified into two types. Organic SEO, here through on-page SEO, off-page optimization, technical SEO, link building, keyword research, and high-quality SEO optimized content. You can improve your website rank on Google for the keyword you want. PPC, here you pay per click to the search engines, or we can say for every click on your website, you pay. Hence it is a sort of advertising that delivers instant results, and your website ranks till the time you run the campaign. Being the top SEO company in Kolkata, we want to clarify PPC is good for the short run, but you need to focus on organic search results when it comes to the long run. It is more genuine and less expensive, whereas, for PPC, you need to pay a lump sum to Google for the advertisement. Frankly speaking, spending this significant amount every month is not possible for small business owners. You can start with local search engine optimization here. The competition will be less, and you can get better marketing services at a low cost. Before you opt for SEO services, let us caution you against the two prevalent mistakes that business owners frequently make. Do not expect instant results. It is the most common mistake that many people make, as they confuse it with PPC. You need to give time to the SEO agency you are taking up SEO services with. In comparison, PPC shows results just in a week, whereas search engine optimization generally takes time, 4 to 6 months to deliver results. SEO services include proper planning, research, strategizing, and then comes the implementation. The first month goes into planning and strategizing, and Google generally takes the second and third month to display the results. You will get to see some visible results hopefully from the fourth month. So you must have an adequate budget when you think of search engine optimization. While spending on SEO, you get services that include content marketing and boost your online presence with better ranks on relevant keywords. Do not end up buying inferior services for cost saving. To save money, do not end up taking some inferior SEO services that might not be that beneficial. A different aspect can be some search engine optimization consultants might promise you some outstanding results at a comparatively lower cost. The reason for this could be, the methods they use may not be approved by SEO guidelines and can penalize you. So in both the case, refrain from getting into the trap and promises of any such professionals. After you learn the SEO and the common mistakes you might make, we will now discuss the budget of search engine optimization. As it is clearly said, what suits your business might not suit other businesses. So the budget of different organizations will be different. But here is the primary approach that you might follow to determine the approximate budget for search engine optimization. Approach for determining SEO services budget. The ultimate aim of hiring an SEO professional is to get traffic to your site. Traffic comes with the keywords search on different search engines. The keywords you choose play a vital role here. The difficulty of keywords ranking is the main object determining the budget. Apart from it, you need to keep in mind some of the standard points while selecting the amount to invest. Quality of content. Content writing plays an essential part here. The content must be engaging, unique, and SEO optimized. If the content is framed accordingly, you have a chance to save this part of your money. As said, great content provides better SEO, so you cannot ignore the importance of content in driving organic traffic. Current position. The position you are presently in is yet another factor that determines the cost required. If you are a startup with no defined keywords and traffic, you need to spend more. Whereas if you are settled, and you just want to increase traffic furthermore, the amount depends upon your future goals. Time duration: the time you are ready to invest in getting the results is yet another factor that determines the budget. If you want results in less time, it is obvious you need to spend more. The SEO professional will have to give more time to get your website ranked on track so that he will charge more. On the other hand, if you deliberately provide ample time to the professional, the chances are you can save some hefty amount in this case. Competition of targeted keywords. Each keyword has a certain level of difficulty to rank on Google, and the competition is high, medium, or low. If the competition is low with less difficulty, the chance for you to rank is more, and the efforts are less. So the budget for less competitive keywords is less while the charges for highly competitive keywords are more. Website performance. Website is the primary thing on which SEO will be done. So, check if your website is optimized with SEO. Suppose proper space is provided in the codes to implement meta tags, titles, descriptions, and keywords. You also need to check the user interface of the website and its responsiveness on different screen sizes. In short, we can say you need to see through all the SEO factors to determine the budget. If the website is optimized correctly, you need to pay less, or else you will be charged for the website redevelopment. Demographics. Whether you opt for local SEO or the demographics you choose is broad, it plays another critical role in setting the budget. For target local customers, you need to pay comparatively less while as you go on expanding your area from the city, state, country to the globe, the investment increases. Use the ROAS metric to set SEO budget limit. Let us discuss it with an example for better representation. Suppose you spend 20,000 INR per month on SEO services and get a hike of 5% on your current traffic of 10,000 per month. It means you get 500 unique visitors this month, and out of these 500 visitors, 100 visitors turned out to be your customers. Now calculate the average profit you get from these 100 customers. Let us assume it to be 500 x 100, that amounts to 50,000 INR per month. So if you invest 20,000 per month, you get a profit of 50,000, and if you reduce the invested amount, you still have 30,000 INR as your profit. Following this method, you get to determine the money you could spend. When you set to the highest amount to get the maximum profit, and furthermore increasing the amount is of no use, is the limit that you must spend on SEO services. Summing it up. After reading the full blog, you must have understood the budget. Though let us summarize the facts in short. You cannot have the same budget for every business niche. The rate differs from organization to organization as well as from industry to industry. The time period is 4 to 6 months that might be required to display the required results. Hire SEO professionals and follow webmaster guidelines. Do not engage yourself in black hat SEO as it might affect you adversely. Track your current position and future goal. Check if your website is SEO optimized. Use ROAS return of investment metric to set the limit. Doc Creative is the best SEO company in Kolkata who works with a team of SEO experts, and have delivered fantastic results to its clients in the recent past as well. Here are specific tips for choosing the reliable SEO company. We will not say choose us, we just want you to choose a company that benefits your business. After seeing all the mentioned factors, select a company that delivers the best results. For furthermore queries, you can contact us on 7,980,358,244 or email us at docreativeweb@gmail.com.